Umja lising ani kuntra faubada hepatitis B haiba Leina asi malemdagi muthatnana bahotnarasi haina National Viral Hepatitis Control Program NHS Manipur State Nodal Officer Dr. R.K. Rosina Fongdokre National Viral Hepatitis Control Program NHS National Health Mission Manipur amadi Directorate of Health Services na punna kutsamnaduna ngasi Hotel Imphal gi Sangai Holda World Hepatitis Day 2025 ki thauram pangthokre thauram ga mari lenana Dr. Rosina makha taraduna hepatitis na naraba miyoi singbu ekoina tathi tawoina tawbidana makoibu ningthina loinaduna layeng bigadabani hepatitis B asi drug kapa nupa nupi haktinnaba transgender sexual amadi miron bi mamadagi poklakpa angangda sandokali Leina asi layeng laga hidak charaga fabangami hepatitis B gi hidak asi chaba haukrabadi punsi chupa adumak chagani hepatitis C hairiba asishu drug user miyoi singda ayambana nagan balainani masisu ningthina layeng laga tha ahum natraga marida fabangami Manipur gi oina RIMS amadi Jenims da common screening hangduna lemna diagnose tawraga lakli haujik India gi oina hepatitis B asi miyoi million nifuna sagonaduna leiri aduga Manipur gi oina kumja lising ani taraga mapandagi haujik faubada miyoi lak ahum screening tawduna miyoi lising taret ka chamana layeng bangamkre aduga miyoi chamapan romna hidak charaga leiri hepatitis B asi maru oina mama oibi singdagi poklakpa macha singda launagan ba maramna miron bi mama khudingmak hepatitis B gi test tawthokpa tangai fadi haiki
Elimination of viral hepatitis by 2030 hairibase masi phangnana ba hotna bada kari karamba akhoida ayetpa obstacles mayam leibasing ase karmaina khoi mayam sangdana masi overcome tawgadagi haibani leiriba mising asina nara aba natraga naba yai haina khaliba miyoi sing asi hanthaba miyengda yengbidana ba aduna masi mayam asi akhoi health matunda na tawba ngamjadaba masi akhoi gi line department sing samnaiga Manipur State Risk Control Society leiri social welfare department leiri PRI asina singbasing ji khosam minare hairaga hairiba obstacle elimination se tawba ngamnaba hodabada leiriba se pulap akhoi khosam naduna honamina si haiba adugi panada thamba akhoi team ni let us break it down and hairibase
kumja lising ani kuntra faubugi manungda India dagi hepatitis ki Leina Mapung Phana laksinduna muthatnana ba pandam thamli hepatitis ki Leina asi ngakthokpa ngamba layengba ngamba amadi layengduna Mapung Phana Phaba ngamba Leina Makhal Amani haina RIMS ki Director Professor G Sunilkumar na Fongdokre wafam masing asi Department of Psychiatry amadi Medicine RIMS na sinduna pangthokpa World Hepatitis Day 2025 ki thauramda mahakna Fongdokkibani chahi asigi oina hepatitis let's break it down haiba team da RIMS ki Banting Hall da pangthokiba World Hepatitis Day 2025 ki thauram aduga mari lenana RIMS ki Director Professor G Sunilkumar Sarmana makha takibada hepatitis Leina layong amadi layeng bagi matangda aranba wafam thajabidanaba amadi kunai gi minok maisana maram oiraga layeng chathadana leibagi chatnabi thadoklasi haina appeal tawki
Hepatitis is preventable, treatable, and in many cases curable. So these are 3 points we need to know as the toast bearer of the medical education, how we can convince the population that you should dismantle this barrier of taboo and sort of be not coming out and get treatment. Now, what is good about since 2019, the Government of India runs National Viral Hepatitis Control Program, under which all the treatment or the screening are free. Once positive, then you also have a free treatment facility. So that is the best possible gift to the people of India, that hepatitis B, C patients are now easily treatable. We don't need anything, but we have to come out and get some involvement in the registration in the counters.
World Hepatitis Day 2025 ki saruk ama oina Kwagaithel da leiba Institute of Liver and Digestive Science ILDH na Liver Health Package yauna free consultation amadi World Hepatitis Day Marathon 2025 pangthokre ngarangdagi hauna institute asida hepatitis let's break it down haiba hiramda gastroenterology cardiology endocrinology fibroscan USG screening amadi hepatitis B amadi Mamal laudana test tawba yauna OPD consultation pituna apunba patient chatruga kuntra humdoiromda kudung chaba fanganki amadi ngasi ayuk pung taruktagi hauduna ngaikong kunau Little Flower Club tagi Kwakaithal Makha Thokjom Laikai da leiba Youth Rising Star Club Phaba kilometer kunga mathoigi oiba marathon amasu pangthokpaga loinena liver health package amasu launch tauki
Panbayabadi hepatitis Makhal manga lay hepatitis A, B, C, D, E. A ga E ga di makhaydi ising dagi lawnay. Ang basing ngaktoke haragadi apaba ising aduga khwaidagi maruoina khaygi arumba lumthokpa boil water thagadi hariba hepatitis A ga E ga se naroi. B ga C ga se makoisina chronic hepatitis kawi. C ga C E da lawnay Manipuri drug tapami yam lay aduna masing yam yami. Highly Panabasi, quite killing I will say, Makoy is silent killer never. Aduna Handak Chahi Tim say, hepatitis, let's break it down. I say, Leina pulsing is very to Irakanda, Popiro, testing Tokyo, Aduga, Sahi Highliva, vaccine numbers of treatment say, Fazana Lauraga, Malem say, hepatitis, like the Malem, hepatitis, the Maram, Werega, liver cirrhosis, some liver cancer, Nahandava Hyper Polsi, ILDS now, Grand Diki Horaga, free OPD consultations. Liver cam switch of the fibroscan ultrasound hepatitis B also C is predicted by patak na ngaran dokre